Hey there, so today we're going to go over some new features related to logic and scoring. So for this example, we're going to do an input for a number to see if the pH level is suitable for water for consumption. So we're going to put in this question here, is the pH level suitable for consumption? And we're going to head over here to this logic box and we're going to select add logic. Then here we're going to do if the number is set in between, let's say 6.5 and 8.5, then we can add an action, and that action could be a score. So we can add 1 point. We can add color green to signal that that is within the range. And then let's add another logic for an example that is not within the range. So for example, if it is not in between 6.5 and 8.5, then let's flag the response to add a score of 0, and let's set the color to red. So once we go ahead and publish, and then we'll go into the inspection, create a new inspection for water quality testing, you can see if we put a number, let's say 6.9, and we enter that number, it will show as green. And let's say we add a number like 2.6, that number will show in red and it will be flagged in the final score over here. So please let us know if you have any questions and we'd be happy to answer them, show you a bit more about how this feature is used, as it could be very helpful for data validation in many different use cases.